Hello and welcome to this short overview of yForums. What you're looking at on the screen right now is an Experience Cloud site, so an external site on the Salesforce platform where we have the yForums application installed, and what you're seeing right now is the yForums app. So when you install yForums, you are able to define the structure of your forums, which essentially is a number of categories. For example, in this forum is about traveling, and it's sponsored by a hotel company. So in this case, like Marriott has all their different accommodations. So they have a category for accommodations. Within that, they have a number of forums, and then every forum can have sub-forums. So the way that categories and forums work is that they allow you to structure conversations into different topics of relevance. So, for example, we have destinations on there, my rewards, and so on. And every forum you can choose an icon for them, a description, a name, and one of the tasks for you as a customer is to define the structure of the forum. How do you want to structure conversations? What forums are you going to have? Is it going to be based on geography, different places, or is it based on departments? And what categories do you want to have? Do you have forums for yourselves, for your own news, for example, in case you want to shout anything out? So you have the forums on the right hand side, and then on the left hand side you have the navigation where you see all forums, and you can see the things that you as a user bookmarked. So you can bookmark forums, so you have easier access to them, and you can also bookmark posts. Continuing with the forums, navigation is quite easy. So for example, we can go to this forum called United States. Here I can bookmark it. I can also create new posts with a subject, that's my forum, and then a description where I can have rich text, and I can have pictures and links, and then I can post that. And you have three different types of users. You have the administrator, who can obviously define the structure of the forums with the categories and forums and all of that. Then you have moderators, who cannot do that, but they can actually pin posts. So when you pin a post, it always appears at the top of that forum. And they can also do some other moderation tasks. What you see for every post, you can see who posted it, their name, when was it posted, how many replies, views, and likes it has received, and when was the last comment as well. So you can gauge very quickly the amount of engagement that a particular post has. And then when you go into the post itself, you can bookmark it, you can pin it if you're an administrator or a moderator, and you can also like it. If you're an admin or a moderator, you can also delete it, so exercise those moderation rights. And then obviously you can see what the post is about, and then you can leverage Chatter to have the conversation itself around this particular post. So users can here add their comments, they can add topics if they want to link to a particular topic, and then depending on how many actions you allow people to have on Chatter, then can have polls as well and other types of things. Here they can attach documents sometimes if you want to let them attach things to it, to posts. And then as you scroll down, you can see the conversation happening. So you can usually sort by latest post, but you can sort by most recent activity. You can search within the feed, which is quite useful in case you want to look for a particular word or phrase. You can filter here and refresh. The good thing is that it's not a one thread conversation, but every comment you can start its own thread. So for example, here we go from bottom up. The first person to reply to this post was Sarah Johnson, and then we can see that there was a back and forth between her and Joe, and then someone later on posted and there was another back and forth, and then Emily Chen posted, and then finally Joe Smith gave thanks to all. So people can comment and start different threads within this post. They can like each other's comments, and all of that rolls up to the overall stats on the post. So you can see how many likes in total everyone gave to the post, or conversations within it, how many views, and so on. So as you can see, forums is a more structured way of having conversations within your Salesforce site, and it really helps people to find their way into conversation as well, because they can understand the structure of your forum, they can see the description, they understand where certain conversations are to be had, and then they're able to create new posts and have conversations around it. Thank you.